So this is the BMW 116i, and we just parked on the side of the road. We're going to do some repairs. So I just got in the car and something just broke straight off. God knows what that was. So we got something stuck on there. Alright, so the full code, everything else is green. So we're looking at the engine management system, and we notice that we've got a cylinder 4 misfire, and we've also got an electric fan that's playing about as well. It's also mentioned several misfires, but it's kind of narrowed it down to cylinder 4 and even switched off to fuel on cylinder 4. So what I want to do is clear the faults, and then I'm going to go into the engine bay and swap the coil packs around and see if these faults move with the coil packs. I haven't asked the customer yet if he serviced his vehicle recently, you know, and changed his spark plugs and whatnot. So we'll soon find out. This engine ignition keeps turning itself off. What the hell? Done, cleared all the faults. Didn't want that, but it's no big deal. So DME, continue. No faults. Okay, so we're gonna swap the coil packs around. We had a cylinder 4 misfire, so we want to swap probably cylinder 4 to cylinder 1. This is cylinder 1 and this is cylinder 4. So if I unplug this, and if your fingers are tough enough, you can pull it like that. I'm not strong enough, I'll run out of energy. Damn heavy. There we go. So I'm going to put that in there. We're going to put this in here. I already took this off because I decided I was going to film this for you guys. Like and subscribe if you find this video interesting. That's what we're doing for today, because if the full code moves, we know we need to order a coil pack and it's late, so you ain't going to get one tonight. So let's run this engine and try and get the engine management light to come back on. And when it does, then we'll check the fault codes and see what cylinder it says it is. But it's really shaking. Alright guys, so after a quick test drive, the light came back on the screen there, and you can see now that it's saying misfire on cylinder 1. So what we need to do is replace the coil pack. A good recommendation is to replace all 4 coil packs, so you get equal performing coil packs as well as brand new spark plugs, so that the engine runs perfectly smoothly, and you're doing good work by maintaining the vehicle properly. So that's the next step. It's a bit late now. That's it for today guys. Like and subscribe. I'm 100% sure that changing the coil pack will resolve this issue.